You've got the perfect camera, the perfect shot, but your audio? Not so perfect. Rode just dropped something that might change that. The wireless micro camera kit. Tiny, powerful, and built for creators who want pro-level sound without the setup headache. For years, Rode's portable mics have been the go-to for crisp smartphone audio. Now they're bringing that same magic to cameras. Compact design, flawless sound, and total creative control. The wireless micro camera kit is a complete recording ecosystem. 2 transmitters, a receiver, and a charging case that fits right in your pocket. Whether you're plugging into your camera's 3.5mm jack or capturing digital audio over USB-C, Rode has got you covered. The receiver features a cold shoe mount and a stunning 1.1-inch AMOLED display, giving you real-time control from audio levels to battery life, without touching your camera's menu. Rode's clearly been listening to creators. After DJI's Mic Mini made waves with its smart features, Rode answered. And then went a step further. The wireless micro camera kit now includes Bluetooth Direct Connect, letting you pair directly with your iPhone through the Rode Capture app. No adapters, no fuss, just clean wireless audio instantly. Power isn't a problem either. The microphones, receiver, and charging case deliver up to 21 hours of total battery life. Plus, Rode includes 2 furry windshields for outdoor shoots because wind noise should never ruin your best take. And here's the kicker. Rode is throwing in one of its first-generation USB-C smartphone receivers for free. That means your kit works with both cameras and smartphones, right out of the box. Sleek, smart, studio-quality sound anywhere. The Rode Wireless Micro Camera Kit is available now for $149. Whether you're filming your next short, vlogging on the go, or capturing your latest idea, this tiny kit just made your sound look as good as your video.